And Reddit's very specific in that it's a huge community, but it's not still as ubiquitous as the other ones. We'll compare it to Facebook and IG. But it also has the most value in niches and community.
Okay.
So how you would use that, you'd have to kind of, start wading through and seeing. I don't know. I'm on Reddit a lot, and it actually has been a good lead generator for me as a marketing consultant. I don't spend a lot of time there anymore because conversion chemistry is my focus, but just answering questions as an authority is a lead generator.
Okay.
So, you know, the dogs subreddit. I follow it just because I like cute pictures of dogs, and sometimes people encounter problems. And they're like, "Oh, here's how I solved it with this breed." Cool. I just, I like this is something it's almost entertaining for me. But there's, community leaders within Reddit that will consistently answer questions, and they develop a following that way.